Wala pala. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aisha and Ira. We love you. I wish nothing but great health sa inyong dalawa. And, the best things life can ever offer. And sana maging maayos ang career, and of course, God bless the love life as well. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Montero?
Happy birthday kay Aiza. Kay Aira ako eh. Happy birthday, Aira. Yun lang.
We love you from us here in the... How do you do that? Ano ba yan? Happy birthday! We love you! Happy birthday, Nina! You say happy birthday, Nina. You say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nina. You say happy birthday! Bye!